Good morning, guys. This is Sagar Apte, your environmental advisor. As I told you yesterday, I have gone to Ratnagiri for some work regarding the consent works here in Maharashtra. So, I'll be trying to give a certain amount of information from these videos regarding all the environmental issues and at the same time the environmental protection technologies which are present in the market through certain shorts and certain videos. So, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Coming back to the point, when we are talking about consent management, most of the times the people are most confused regarding what is to be done and at what juncture of time in terms of the industry establishment process. So I would like to give you a certain bit of information about the same. Normally when we are talking about consent to management, as I told you yesterday, the process involves the obtaining of consent to establish as well as consent to operate. The consent to establish is obtained when the industry is to be set up. That is, the industry is to be, constructed. The main purpose of this is to provide the, client with a know-how of what is to be done in order to reduce the pollution potential by installing certain systems which are necessary for controlling the pollution which is generated from the industry. Based on the category of the industry, the pollution potential may vary. Normally, there are three categories which are considered. The first one being the green category, the second one being the orange category, and the third one being the red category. The green category industries are clearly the most eco-friendly industries since they are generating no or very low amount of pollution potential, and the waste which is being generated from those industries may require treatment or may not require treatment. It's not a mandatory process, and they can send the waste if it is being generated to any hazardous waste facility as well if necessary. The orange category industries are the industries which have a moderate amount of pollution potential. The major industries which are incorporated in the orange category are the hospitals, hotels, fruit and vegetable washing industries or food processing industries, and many such food industries which have a minorly high or you can say moderately high amount of pollution potential. The roads are quite bad here, so please bear with me. The third category is the red category of industries, which is mainly responsible for the majority of the pollution which is occurring in the country. Now these industries are the sugar industries, dairy industry, distillery industry, fertilizer industry, paper industry, textile industry, refineries, and so on and so forth. So all these industries require the consent to establish and operate. Many a times the environmental clearance also comes in, about which we'll talk in the next video. Thank you.